Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is take 3 on this. Hopefully nothing will mess this up, and I'm now having Chris on this. So I'm digging a nature pond here for my grandma, and there was a massive amount of dirt here, but annoyingly, because of British weather, I couldn't film me digging it out, and I have to use a pickaxe right there to just loosen the middle bits. So, my grandma got a skip arrive from the builders. Here, I'm not allowed to tell you where it is, to load all the dirt into, and it's nearly full. Here we go, taking the wheelbarrow down. Just coming through the gate and around. Here we go, just sorting it all out. So that's the skip there. I've been climbing in and out of it all day. Here we go. So we're back into digging again. Yeah, so I had to use the pickaxe there just to break out some of the mud. After it had rained, it just made all the soil a bit difficult to pick up and stuff. Okay, so I had to go off camera for a bit there. That's why the hole looks a bit different. But it's just because of rain, let's just say. I had to cut the camera because of the rain. And yeah, British weather, thankfully. Sorry about the camera angle in there. I pointed it down. Excuse that, please. Thank you. So just moving around. Bring out the wheelbarrow to load it up. So this is about the final load of it all. So there we are. So I'm unloading the wheelbarrow like that because it was a heavy load this. So I had pushed it under the skip, and you'll see that with another one of my loads. But I then scooped out so then I can lift it up. You'll see that in a minute. Just using that rake there just to level it out a bit. Yeah, so I'm at my grandma's house here, and this is skip arrived yesterday. So I just angled the camera there, and here you go. Here's where I'm tipping out the soil that I had, and just using my hand to push it through. So as you can see, the skip is rather full. So here I got into the skip. I've been in it a few times, but I'm just compacting it just to push it down so we can get some more in and move them all sort of around. Now I'll just go back here. I need to go get another load. Be back in a minute. Okay, I'm back. So here, it was going quite well. It was just spitting with rain a bit. Just sorting out where I need to put the camera, just so you guys can actually see it very nicely. So until that, I pushed the wheelbarrow under the skip. That's because this is a very heavy load and I didn't want it to fall over. So by doing that, I could then pick it up, scoop it, and then put it in without the wheelbarrow falling over. Now I've put it into a slow motion. I don't know why, I just chose to, and I think it looks cool. So, back to normal time now. My grandma at the back there just starting to clean up. Because I think this one was the last load, yes. Yeah, it was. Yeah, so this one was the last load. Actually, the only reason I know that is because of the wheelbarrow being in the skip. Physically. And I also moved the camera at that point. Because if I had any other loads, it would have been at the back. So I got into the skip, it came off for building a site there, and a telehandler bought it on Friday. Do not tell me it's a forklift, it is a telehandler, and it came and dropped that off, and where the fork's going on the telehandler, I climb up with that. Just compacting it there. Now you get to come for a little joy ride in a wheelbarrow. I'll have to move the camera in a minute because it is facing the wall a bit. See, I moved the wheelbarrow. Well, the camera. There you go, that's a bit better position. Just setting it down now onto its tripod. As you can see, the pond, well, the nature pond, that's okay, and we're now starting to tidy up. I was just looking earlier just to see if I needed to do anything to there, but I didn't. So just come through setting it up again because I need to now wash off all of that area. I see my grandma's cleaning our boots. They're my ACF boots. If you don't know what ACF is, that's the Army Cadet Force. I'm in Long Stanton Detachment. Only a very small one. Right. So my grandma's just brushing all of the dirt out of the garage, out of her house. So I'll be out in a minute with the hose. There we go. Just bring it out there. So what happened was, there, the end of the hose came off for some reason. I think it had too much pressure in it, so it came off, but we fixed it in a bit. I am also messaging people whilst I'm recording this, because I'm inside and it's after we've done this, so I'm messaging people whilst I'm doing this, so yeah. There we go, just spraying it all down nicely. My finger was very cold after I'd done that because I was using my finger. So, just clean it up, put it in the stone so I can move you guys round. Okay, set up again, and I'll be able to now put. So now we're going to put the end of the hose on because yeah, why not? So, I'm starting from the door backwards. Just push everything that way. So yeah. So just clean it all off because that pathway was very dirty. So just clean it, making sure it's not all dirty again, which it isn't anymore. There's just some patches. So here we go, just doing down near her shed. So just cleaning up here, nearly done now. So just finishing here. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.